Good morning, children. I am Krishnaveni, science teacher of Little Flowers High School. Today I am going to explain you 7th class science, lesson number 5, heat measurement. Heat measurement. Okay, in this chapter, already we have discussed about the heat, conversion of energy, heat and temperature. Okay, about these three topics we have discussed in previous video. In this video, I am going to explain you expansion of liquid, properties of mercury and alcohol. Properties of mercury and alcohol. Okay, here the topic expansion of liquids on heating. Okay, due to heat, the liquids will be expanded. What is the meaning of expansion? The increasing of the volume of matter, okay, without changing any mass. Okay, without changing any mass, volume will be increased. That is called as expansion. Okay, here this is one of the experiment to show that expansion of liquids due to heat. Here we'll take one round bottom flask. Okay, that is on the trough. The trough is filled with the water. Then we will take the solution in this round bottom flask. Okay, when we heat that this trough, what happens? Here one scale is arranged at the back of the round bottom flask. Okay, first next here the thermometer also there. With the thermometer, what will you do? We will note the temperature of the liquid. Okay, note the temperature of liquid while heating. Okay, with the help of burner, while heating this mixture, this solution, what happens? Here mercury level on that thermometer level will be increased. Thermometer shows the increasing level of the mercury. Okay, while heating, what happens here? Liquid volume will be increased. Okay, the increasing volume we can note on the here scale is arranged at the back of the round bottom flask. Okay, we will find the first initial reading. Then whenever that water is heated, okay, then water is heated, that level of the mercury column is increased. You note the second time level of the mercury column. Okay, the difference between the two levels on the scale, what happens? That is the expansion rate of that liquid. While heating, that volume of liquids will be increases. Okay, that volume of the liquids will be increased. That is the experiment to show that here expansion of liquids due to heat. Whenever we increase the temperature, okay, the mass of the substance does not change, but volume is increased. Okay, that is the meaning of expansion. Right? Liquids expand on heating. Okay, water expands on heating. Whenever we cool that water, again that comes into that original state. Okay, contacts on cooling. Expands on heating, contacts on cooling. Okay, these two processes are reversible reactions. Okay, on heating, that liquid's volume will be increased. Whenever we cool that water, again those come into this original state. Okay, this is the experiment to show that expansion of liquids due to the heat. Next one here. What are the properties of mercury and alcohol? Okay, which liquid is used in thermometers? Yes, mercury and alcohol. These two are thermometric liquids, okay, which are used in thermometers. Right? What are the properties of alcohol and mercury? First one, properties of mercury. Okay, the mercury has a uniform expansion. The total level of the mercury will be uniformly expanded. Okay, next one, opaque and shining. Opaque substance that cannot allow the light rays through them, then that will be shine. Okay, that is opaque substance and shining substance does not stick the sides of the glass. Okay, that mercury does not stick the walls of the glass, that can be expanded freely and comes its original state. Okay, then good conductor of heat. That can allow the heat or conduct the heat. Okay. Next one here, easily available in purest state. These are the properties of mercury. This is uniformly expanded, opaque and shining, does not stick to the walls of the glass. The next one here, this is a good conductor of heat. Okay, that heat will be transferred easily with the mercury, through the mercury. Okay, easily available in purest state. So these are all properties of mercury. Okay. Next one, properties of alcohols. Right. This alcohol, what are the properties of alcohol? By using this alcohol, we can measure the lower temperature of the day. Okay, the lower temperatures we can measure with the alcohol, and maximum temperatures we can measure with the mercury. Right. Next, alcohols expansion per degree Celsius, rise in temperature is very large. Okay, that will be expanded for degree Celsius with high temperature. By increasing temperature, every 1 degree Celsius will be expanded. Okay, expansion per degree Celsius, rise in temperature is very large. Okay, that will be expanded more. Next, colored, brightly colored. Alcohols are colored brightly. Next one, easily visible. Easily visible liquid, and that will be bright color liquid. Okay, these are the properties of mercury and alcohol. These two are the thermometric liquids. Okay, used to measure the temperatures, lower temperature or maximum temperature. Right, maximum temperature is measured by using mercury, and lower temperatures are used to measure by alcohol. Okay children, in next video we will see about the clinical thermometer and 6S maximum minimum thermometer. Okay, do you understand about these topics? Okay, thank you children.